Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create your PayPal account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your PayPal account by tapping the PayPal app. Once you do this, you will end up in this page where you need to choose the sign up option to create an account. So after this, simply type in your email address and hit the next button. Then simply type in your registered mobile number, and once you have done this, hit the next button again. Once you have typed in your number, you will get a code sent to the number. So all you need to do is type it in, and then you will be redirected to this page where you need to create a strong password for your account. After you are done, press the next button and then fill in your personal information. Finally, you need to add your address as well and tick the dialog box, hit the agree and create account. In this way, you can create a PayPal account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.